Alright, it's day 3. We are heading home. We're in Branson, remember, heading home to St. Louis. As usual, we didn't get to sleep in. If you listened to my vlog yesterday, our hotel room, it's 3 floors. We're on 1st floor. You can hear everyone above you walking around, and apparently whoever is above us doesn't sleep, and they pace the room from like 6 to 9. It's like, oh my god, and you hear it. It's not like stomping elephants. So anyway, I checked out. I mentioned it to the front desk. They could care less. They're like, so sorry. I'm like, okay, goodbye. So anyway, we're leaving. We actually got a little later start because we took our time loading our car and stuff. So we're skipping breakfast. We're gonna stop at Michael's because I want to check out their clearance section, and then we'll probably stop somewhere on the way home. Robert wants to stop in Springfield. We need to pick up Haley a gift since we didn't find her anything yet. A souvenir. We always pick the nieces up something whenever we're on the road. So we got Abby something. We have to find Haley something. I'm sure there'll be something in Springfield that we'll grab a bite to eat.
What is that? That sausage.
I don't know what that is. It's
I don't know. It's 100% cocoa beans.
100% cocoa beans. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Hello. Good.
Huh.
That's interesting.
Anything particular to help you with this afternoon?
You got milk chocolate, or is it all dark chocolate?
So we do these 2 milk chocolates. A dark milk is kind of both. It's kind of a compromise between, say, a darker, but it's got some goat's milk and some sea salt. Below that would be
Alright, we just pulled over. I don't know. We're in Springfield. There's like I don't know, police cars, like a long strip of police cars.
I don't know what to do.
No one's gonna let you back over? Yeah, if they're done flashing, then get over.
Alright.
Okay, so it wasn't a long strip. It was like 6 police cars.
What was that about? That was weird.
I don't know what that was about. Alright, we're still following these cops, not on purpose. So anyway, we pulled over earlier because they had all their lights flashing, and then they turned them off the next block. So we're hopping back on 44. Apparently they were all hopping back on 44 with their lights no longer flashing. There's like 8 cop cars, and I don't think we're in Springfield. I don't think they're Springfield cops. So, I don't know.
No,
They're not turning.
We are.
We're getting on road. Whatever you guys are doing, good luck. I don't know.
It's weird.
Berry County. We are not in Berry County right now. Don't know what they're doing. Anyway, we stopped into Springfield to, they had a chocolate shop. They had our artesian chocolate shop. I got a little footage while we're in there. I'll show it in this vlog. Haley likes chocolates. I did find a bar that I think she will like. It's not typical milk chocolate. There was all kinds of different chocolates. I really like that thing. Haley might be a little too young for it, so I did find her a bar that's pretty mild, that's a half milk that I think she will really like. So, and now we're still on the way home. We still got 3 hours more to go, and we will stop somewhere on the road for lunch, but other than that, we are getting home. We should be home around 3, and the bell goes out at 5, and I think we're going to try our best to package. On Etsy, we got like 30 orders, and on eBay, I only got like 5. So we're killing it on Etsy, not so much on eBay, but I really want the stuff to go out today, so we will get home in plenty of time to package and run to the post office. Alright, second stop on the way home. They had like 20 billion signs. It's a candy factory. We've actually never stopped at these like as many times as we've been in Branson. Never done this, so we're gonna see if there's anything good. actually been to the store numerous times. It's pretty good. Alright, that was the quickest stop ever. I went in, used the restroom, walked around the store. It was a glorified gas station. The candy was all the candy you see at any gas station that you stop at, with like taffy, but nothing unique. All the candy you see at Walmart and gas stations, and it was packed, and people are acting like it was, I don't know what they were, like they've never seen taffy before, and fudge, and it's just, sorry, it's just like any other, I mean, it is a candy store, but it wasn't like unique. It's just like going to Walmart, the candy aisle at Walmart. So anyway, we're gonna keep driving and see what other signs we can go be fooled by. It is an outlet store, so everything is in boxes, but it's pretty good. They have some good deals. Alright, that was our last stop. No more stops till we get home. I think we'll be home in 2 hours. So we stopped at McDonald's after we went to Russell Stover's. I picked up some chocolate for the girls at Russell Stover's. I got 3 boxes of chocolate and a couple odds and ends for $11. That's extremely cheap. That's like, these boxes of chocolate are like, you'd spend like $14.99 at Walgreens. So 3 boxes for $11. It's pretty cool. We went over to McDonald's. It was a nice McDonald's. I mean, it's McDonald's, but you've been to some McDonald's that are like crappy, disgusting. This was a nice one, so I was very happy. So we decided to eat there. So we order our food, we sit down, they give you a number and they're gonna bring you the food. And then we're sitting down and there's like a TV, so we're watching the weather. You know, I really hope everyone is safe during the upcoming hurricane. Watching that, and like 10 minutes goes by and I'm like, okay, they never brought us our food. So I take the number back up to the front. I'm like, okay, are you supposed to bring me my food, or was I supposed to come to you and get it? And like, oh, it got called off. I'm like, okay, they kept saying this. The guy, the cashier is like, kept saying it got called off. It got called off. So I don't work here. I don't know what that means. And he's like, it's just no one saw the order. I'm like, okay, well, can I get my food? And a manager was right there, and I was really nice about it because I just was confused. The manager was right there, and she comes up, she goes, oh, I'll give you a refund. I didn't ask for a refund, but she's like, okay, I'll give you a refund. I'm like, okay, that sounds fine, but I still want my food. She's like, oh yeah, we're making your food, we'll bring it right out to you. So they were super nice. So I got a full refund, and they still gave me my food, which it just was kind of like ironic because I was super nice. I didn't ask for a refund, and McDonald's gave me a refund because they made a mistake. And it was just comparison because we're still thinking about our $700 hotel stay where I made a complaint about a couple issues and all I got was, I'm sorry. So the reason that this whole hotel thing is bugging us is because we've stayed at a lot of nice hotels, and they always listen to us if we have a complaint. We don't always have complaints. I don't want to be like all we have fine is problems. We've stayed at a lot of expensive hotels, no issues whatsoever. And so this one, they just completely ignored us, and it's just frustrating because it was a lot of money, and I could have stayed at like a Hampton and had no issues and spent like 3 times less. So I don't know. That's fine. They're gonna get a very bad review for me on TripAdvisor. And Robert will work his magic. He is the best letter writer in the world. He will write to management and just ask, like, you know, why did you not listen to me? Blah, 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 blah. Hopefully, maybe he'll get something out of it. I don't know. It's not a hotel we will revisit. And again, it's not a Branson issue. It's a hotel issue. Because we love Branson. We're still probably going to go back next month or the month after. Because I definitely want to go to Silver Dollar City at Christmas. But anyway, 2 more hours. 2 more hours on the road. A little later than I expected because we had a couple more stops, but it's okay. We can still make the post office deadline by 5 p.m. That's what we're gonna do. As soon as we get home, we're both gonna be working hard and get the packages out. So anyway, I'll get some more video when we get home. All right, we're home. Usually Ollie will come right there. Oh my God, someone was upstairs. You know you're not supposed to be upstairs. I saw that. Oh yes. Talking? Are you talking? Yeah. Are you talking? Oh yes, I know. I know. I'm happy to see you too. Would you stand still so I can pet you? Stand still so I can pet you. I know. We're home. It's the longest drive ever. Look at his raccoon tail shaking like a rattler. Yes. Come Oh, oh yeah. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. I can hear you. I can hear you purring already. Oh, I missed you too. I missed you too. I missed you too. Alright, I'm gonna help Robert unload the car, and then I got some work to do. Don't bite. Whatever you do, don't bite me. I don't need to be clean, but is that McDonald's you taste? You like McDonald's apparently? Oh, that's Daddy. Don't. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm letting you down.